Hi, I'm Stefan from K15T, and I'm going to give you a quick overview about the preview report feature in Scroll Viewport. I will show you where you can access it, along with how you can use it to identify errors and warnings within your Viewport site. Alright, so we just created our preview for the Good Software site, and now we have the problem that we know that we have some content changes, but we don't know how they look. And I don't want to click through the preview and check every single site to see if everything is fine. So what I can do is I click on the ... menu on the top right corner and access the preview report. The preview report shows possible issues with the generated site, like missing attachments on pages or unsupported macros. It lists the issues along with the Confluence pages that are affected by them. But no worries, the preview report will never prevent you from going live with your site. So in this case, we have an unsupported macro warning on our page. Somewhere we placed the live search macro in here. And apparently the live search macro is not supported with Scroll Viewport. So I'm going to the preview to check out the page, and as I can see, the live search macro is not appearing on that page at all. So I'm fine with that, and we can go live with that page and ignore that warning. But still I want to fix that issue maybe. So what I can do, I still can access the preview report from the last generation of the site and go through that list to fix my issues with the site.